Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete my Telegram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Telegram app right over here. Then tap on this settings icon at the bottom right corner. Then simply go ahead, scroll and tap on this option of privacy and security, and then scroll and then go ahead, tap on this option of if away for. So if you choose 1 month, and if you're away for 1 month from your particular Telegram account of use, your account will be deleted automatically. But if you want to delete it right away, tap on delete account now and tap on delete my account again. Now you simply have to tap on continue again at the bottom and tap on again delete my account. You might have to add your number for the confirmation. Then your account will be deleted and you're good to go. That's all it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.